I've come across some pictures on Sinker World. It shows what looks like a sill pallet. I can't actually work out where it's supposed to go. So this bottom door has been repaired. There's a place along the bottom here. I'm just going to whip this off and have a look, see if there's any shape in the bottom of the door, because at the moment it's just flat. It's wet along the bottom. And I'd say that is pretty original, except for that plate that's been added. Yeah, the skin doesn't look too bad either. That's quite a surprise, but it needs a new bottom in it. Because this surely isn't original. And it's hold there, yeah, it's hold in places. But the door is not wrapped round, it's just spot welded onto this flange, which that's a real cheap way of doing it, isn't it? Oh well. Let's have a look at this A-post. Right, I've got it now. This piece was fitted here. And when you look at it, it's obviously not an original piece because it's that galvanised steel again. So this shape should be part of the sill. So we're going to have a flange. Are we going to have a flange? I'll have to work that out yet. Then it will come out till it meets the door, then it will drop down, then it will come out flat, then it will go round. So I'm going to create that shape. I'll try and create that shape. I've got a strip of aluminium here, and what I do is I mark how long the strip is, make the shape, and then whatever's left I can work out how much metal I need. But I've already had some strips, or a strip cut for a new sill. I've had it cut at 300, which I'm not sure it's going to give me enough with that extra step in it. But I'll bend this up and see what we've got. Right, I think I've got this sill section in my head now. Thanks to Amid Lamil for his posts. I think this is what we've got here. This is the strip of metal. I think that's the shape. And I've used 280mm of metal there, and I've had the strips cut at 300, so I've got plenty there. But quite a complicated shape. This vertical section here, that's got a kink in it, so that's not a straight bend. This floor section is a straight bend, but and this door bottom here is a straight bend, so that won't be straight. That is straight, and then we come to this outer corner here, and of course the door has got a crown on it. The door's got a crown on it, so that's not a straight bend. So I see that Ahmed Miller has done it in two pieces. He's put a join on this corner section here, which makes a lot of sense. So that's that, and he's also put some good detail on this section here, which I've got exactly the same problem. And of course that's still full of fiberglass there. So I think I'll get this back section floor in here, this floor of the piece in here first, and then move to the front. And I think this, actually no, that's hold as well. Has to do something with that as well. Right, door removed. Man, that's heavy. But it's quite handy that I can see now the remains where the old sill was welded, this line here. So my guesstimate is about right. That's good. And then this structure here, this this piece here goes up behind this bracket. That all looks good. Then it starts to get a bit rotten as we go around the corner. Of course the bottom of this box section's gone as well. But not too bad. But be interesting welding next to this fiberglass here, because that ain't coming out. So this is a useful location, this sill height. So I've taken a measurement from where the sill attaches up to here, and I've marked it at 260, so I know I can measure down from there and get the sill height. And I've taken another one from this point here up to here, 65mm, and that'll give me that height. So I sort of know where I'm going then. Right, with that box removed, this box section here, that's not too bad. There is a small hole there, but I'm not too bothered about that. But this section here, where it goes around the corner, that needs sorting out, and that's actually a separate piece. There's a weld up there. But I've got to replace the bottom. So whether I can get that out while this is in, we'll see. Well, this is what I pulled out of this this box section here, and I had to set fire to it and scrape it out. It took me all afternoon to get that out. So get that cleared up. So I think the important thing is to get this straight. It's in two pieces. That's pretty good, so I'm happy with that. So drill it and get it welded on. quite sure what goes on here. This is sitting on top, and this is going to get in the way of the outer sill. I think I'm going to cut that flush and butt weld it, and then make up a little panel to close that off. Should be able to wangle that into place. Let's try this. Rubbish. Doesn't even touch it. But it is quite brittle, so just scrape it away. I just want to check nothing's going on with the bottom of the door before I make the sill. Well, a neatly made repair. Pop riveted on. usual sort of mess, isn't it? But the outer skin looks pretty good. A little hole down there, but doesn't look too bad. So it's just the bottom. Oh, it's a bit of a problem. Bit of a problem there. And around the corner as well. Not bad though. And simple enough to do, I think. Go away and ponder this one. I've never seen a door construction like this. This is just the shell is just spot welded to the skin. And really that this flange here has got to come off really. But of course that's not a straight bend. There's some crown in this panel. I guess this one is straight. So I will go and have a think about that before rushing into it.